IAP, or International Agricultural Processing, is a manufacturer of pickled cucumbers and gherkins in Tamil Nadu, India. IAP is a wholly owned Indian subsidiary of the Mercatus Group, a supply chain management company to the global processed vegetable industry based in Toronto, Canada. We have played an important part in the Indian gherkin industry from its beginning and are one of the largest exporters from India today. We now grow cucumbers in the 3 southern Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Our factory is located 50 kilometers from Madurai in Tamil Nadu state and 150 kilometers from the port of Tuticorin on the southern tip of India. The factory employs 800 people during peak packing seasons. From 1998 onwards, IAP has built a reputation with private label owners around the world with products supplied to Western Europe, Eastern Europe, North America, South America, Asia, and Australia. South India is unique amongst cucumber regions in that crop can be harvested 10 months of the year. The off-season months are April, which is the hottest and driest month, and October, which sees the northeast monsoon. Peak growing seasons are January to March and June to September. An educated workforce allows Indian producers to adopt modern, quality management systems through the use of information technology and sophisticated data collection. Today, India is a significant producer of small cucumbers or gherkins and supplies most of the world's requirements of the very smallest grades of gherkins. Tamil Nadu small farmer gherkin yields at around 10 tons per hectare. Increasing levels of fruit fly infestation is a challenge the industry is fighting through a variety of control measures, including the pheromone traps shown here. In our farms, we manage the fruit fly problem through traps, protein bait sprays, and planting maize as a border catch crop. We are fortunate that gherkins cultivated in Tamil Nadu have a lower fruit fly risk due to agroclimatic factors such as elevation and temperature. IAP conducts field operations through its subsidiary IAP Farm Services. In 2014, a total of 15,000 metric tons of gherkins was delivered to our factory by IAP Farm Services. "75% of this crop was sourced from 1,200 hectares, cultivated by more than 6,000 smallholder farmers, with an average of 0.2 hectares per farmer. The company supplies seed, fertilizer, agrochemicals, and stacking material to farmers on credit terms, either directly or through local agents. Our field officers visit each farmer twice a week and provide technical assistance on crop management, including the early identification of pests and diseases and their control. In addition to training, our responsible farming program includes the adoption of yield enhancement techniques such as drip irrigation and fertigation, and the safety of farm families. The company provides smallholder farmers with a secure storage box for agrochemicals. The company also provides farmers with protective clothing for spraying operations. IAP has taken commercial growing of gherkins beyond smallholder contract farming into company-managed farms, which now contribute 25 to 30% of our annual gherkin crop. Farms like this achieve yields 3 to 4 times that of smallholder farmers, whose productivity is limited by the size of their land holding. Our factory is built on a 39-acre green field site in rural Tamil Nadu, away from other industries. The infrastructure has been purpose-built to pack gherkins and other acidified vegetables efficiently while respecting good manufacturing practices. The production team is one of the most skilled in the industry and has the knowledge to pack product according to the specific requirements of markets around the world. The factory is certified to IFS Higher Level and SQF 2000. Training of staff and workers in standard operating procedures and work instructions takes place in a modern classroom environment. Crop arriving at the factory is cleaned using a cyclone to separate foreign material such as paper and fiber before the gherkins are graded to size. Removal of field defects requires good lighting combined with keen eyesight and nimble fingers. An initial culling takes place before washing and a second culling after washing of the fresh gherkins. The IAP factory is built around a hand-picking line, which offers flexibility in meeting customer requirements for non-standard jar sizes, place pack products, and multiple product shipments. The most critical control point is the pH of the product. Samples of brine and product are checked for pH throughout the manufacturing process and again in the finished product. Proper pasteurization not only destroys spoilage-causing microorganisms, but extends shelf life by deactivating enzymes responsible for softening. We are pleased to co-pack using the customer's own label. We offer a choice of outer packaging options ranging from standard cardboard cartons to open trays to shrink wrap trays. Outer packaging can be labeled with barcodes generated online that allows downstream machine reading of traceability data. We also offer semi-finished gherkins in drums for further processing in the customer's factory. All effluent water is recycled for use in the factory gardens. The company culture is one of transparency, both within the company and in our relationships with customers and suppliers. We treat employees with respect, irrespective of caste, religion, and gender, and we engaged with socially responsible and sustainable activities before they became fashionable. Supporting the health and well-being of our employees and their families and improving the quality of life in the neighborhood is of high importance to our management. IAP is committed to the highest standards of processing and to ensuring that safe food reaches its customers at all times.